Here at Klahanie Chevron Service Center, we handle all of your automotive needs, and we have a few other things like our snack shop. We have everything from tobacco products to candy and chips and drinks. And then I'll take you out to our service shop and kind of show you what we do out there. We handle just about all of your automotive needs here. So the only thing that we don't do is body work, but we do all sorts of maintenance and repair on just about every kind of vehicle. Come here, I'll show you. So on this car here, you can obviously see it's a Mercedes-Benz. It was in here for a level B maintenance. So we handled all of its needs that the dealer would be able to provide for you. We were doing brakes on a Honda here in the middle bay. Work on Fords, doing a radiator on a Ford, Toyota, Dodge. We do alignments. We have all the latest technology. All the latest scanners, laptops, and equipment to check your check engine light, which is a big thing. Every time that little yellow light comes on, it means there's something wrong with your car. You need to get it in. If you ever want to know what that light comes on for, just pop on by. We do a code check for free, and we'll kind of let you know what you need to do from there. We've got a state-of-the-art alignment rack here, which can get your car going straight down the road, keep you from wearing tires out. We have all the interstate battery line, which is the best batteries on the market. And we do tires and just everything that you need to have done here. We've got 3 bays up front, 3 bays behind it, another 2 bays in the back, and we have all the latest diagnostic equipment, all the latest equipment to fix your car. We keep up on schooling with all of our technicians on a very regular basis. So come on in, we can handle anything that you need here at Klahanie Chevron Service Center.